In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a PayPal account without a social security number. So creating a PayPal account without a social security number is possible, particularly for non-residents who don't have a social security number. Now there's two ways that you can do this. Option one is to create a personal PayPal account without a social security number, but the account is going to have some restrictions. So you will need to go ahead and just download the PayPal app like you normally would. And PayPal typically doesn't require you to actually enter in your social security number during initial sign up for a personal account, so you don't really need to put it in. You can proceed by linking a bank account, debit card, or credit card for verification. What you guys could also do is create a PayPal business account with your ITIN. So for non-residents or those without a social security number, a business PayPal account is the best way to access the full PayPal functionality, such as receiving payments, withdrawals, or if you're trying to use it for a business, then this is going to be perfect for you. Using a ITIN instead of a social security number would be the move to do so. So you will need to form a US LLC or a C Corp. So obviously that's a little bit more advanced. You should only do that if you're using PayPal seriously, like you're trying to use it for business transactions and stuff like that. But if you're just using PayPal for like personal reasons and stuff like that, small transactions, then just making a personal account without the social security number will get the job done. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.